Hello, my name is Harkirat Singh, and currently I can pursuing my BTech from Chitkara University. Today, I am going to present the PPT on comparative analysis of 6G with 5G. So, starting with the introduction, first point is 5G is the fifth generation of mobile communication technology designed to deliver high speed data, low latency, and support for massive IoT applications. Second point is 6G is the upcoming next generation wireless technology that aims to push communication performance far beyond 5G with ultra high data rates, near zero latency, and AI driven intelligent networks. And the third point is this comparison highlights how 6G builds on the foundation of 5G through advancements in speed, spectrum, reliability, network intelligence, and future application potential. So, in the next slide, we can discuss upon what are the features comparison. So in this we can do the comparison between 5G and 6G on different features. First feature is core technologies. In 5G, massive MIMO beam forming network slicing OFDM. In 6G, core technologies are AI driven networking, terahertz communication, reconfigurable intelligent surfaces, quantum and blockchain integration. And the second feature of 5G is AI integration, in which the point come in 5G is it is used for optimization, and the feature of AI feature and the AI integration feature of 6G is native AI networks are self learning and self healing, and the point and the edge computing feature of 5G is spotted, and the uh, edge computing feature of 6G is deeply integrated with distributed cloud architecture. And the satellite connectivity feature of 5G is limited use via external systems, and the satellite uh, connectivity feature of 6G is seamless integration with non terrestrial networks. And the security feature of 5G is software based encryption, and the security feature of 6G is quantum safe cryptography and blockchain trust mechanisms. So, in the next slide, we can discuss the core technologies of 5G. The key points come. The key points come in this is first. The first point is radio and spectrum. Second, and the second point is wave communication, and the third point is sub 6 gigahertz bands. Next one is antenna technologies. Next one is massive MIMO, and the another one is 3D beam forming. Next one is network architecture. Next one is software defined networking. Another one is network function virtualization, and the last one is network slicing. And in the next slide, we can discuss the next generation technologies of 6G. The the so the first point is spectrum and propagation, and the key points come under this is terahertz bands, which range from the 100 gigahertz to 1 terahertz. Second key point is ultra massive MIMO, and the third one is holographic MIMO surfaces. Second heading is intelligent networking, in which the key points are AI native network management. Another key point is self learning, self healing networks, and the another point is integrated sensing and communication. And the third topic is advanced enhancements, under which the key points are reconfigurable intelligent surfaces. Second key point is quantum safe security, and the last key point is blockchain based trust models. So, in the next slide, we can discuss the core technologies of 5G. The key points come under this is radio and spectrum. Another one is wave communication, enabling extremely high bandwidth but limited range. And another key point is dynamic spectrum sharing um, between LTE and NR. And the last key point is carrier aggregation across licensed plus unlicensed bands. So in the another slide, uh, core technologies of 5G is continued. The points come under this is antenna and PHY layer, massive MIMO, hybrid beam for forming, beam management, CPOFDM waveform, and DFT OFDM. And the last key point is polar coded control channels and LDPC coded data channels. And in the next slide, we can discuss the next generation technologies of 6G, under which the key points are spectrum and PHY innovations, terahertz communication, which range from 100 gigahertz to 1 terahertz, enabling TBPS throughput. Another key point is sub terahertz ultra massive MIMO with 100 to thousands of antenna elements. And the last key point is holographic MIMO, in which entire surfaces act as electromagnetic antennas. Uh, so in the next slide, next generation technologies of 6G topic is under which the key points are new waveforms, OTFS and DFT spread OFDM for high mobility, and terahertz propagation. Another key point is AI driven channel estimation for terahertz channels with high path loss, AI native networking. Another point is full AI integration in PHI, MAC, and RRM, not just optimization. Another point is autonomous network orchestration. Another point is predictive beam forming and AI driven hardovers. And the last key point is reinforcement learning for dynamic spectrum management. So, in the next slide, we can discuss technologies which are used in 5G versus 6G. So, in this, we can discuss on different parameters which can differentiate 5G from 6G. The frequency band parameter of 5G tells that sub 6 gigahertz and millimeter wave, and the frequency band parameter of 6G tells the terahertz band range from 100 gigahertz to 1 terahertz, where in 5G the range is from 24 to 100 gigahertz. And the peak data rate parameter of 5G is up to 10 GB per second, and the peak data rate parameter of 6G is expected up to 1 Tbps 100 gigabit per second. And the latency parameter of 5G is from 1 to 10 milliseconds, and the latency parameter of 6G is 0.1 milliseconds or lower. And the bandwidth parameter of 5G is up to 1 gigahertz, and the bandwidth parameter of 6G up to 10 gigahertz or more. And the network architecture parameter of 5G tells cloud based software defined networking, network slicing, and a network architecture parameter of 6G tells us integrated AI native cloud edge fusion intelligent surfaces quantum communication. And the spectral efficiency parameter of 5G is approximate equals to 30 bits per second per hertz, and the spectral efficiency parameter of 6G is greater than 100 bits per second per hertz expected. And the last parameter, which is energy efficiency parameter of 5G, is a moderate improvement over 4G. And the energy efficiency parameter of 6G tells high energy aware and green networks using AI optimization. In the next slide, we can discuss SDG goals. The first point is SDG 9, industry innovation and infrastructure, under which 5G 6G enable smart manufacturing, smart grids, autonomous systems, and digital innovation. Second point is SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, under which smart city applications like intelligent transport, IoT monitoring, disaster management, and traffic optimization rely on advanced networks. In the next slide, we can discuss previously on in this we can continue on the SDG goals, in which the another key point is SDG 3, good health and well-being, under which telemedicine, remote surgery, and real-time patient monitoring become more reliable with 5G 6G level latency. And the last key point is SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, under which energy efficient communication systems like RIS in 6G reduce power consumption and support green communication. So finally, we come on the conclusion. First key point is 5G has transformed connectivity with high speeds, low latency, and massive IoT support, enabling smart industries and advanced automation. And the second key point is 6G will move beyond communication, integrated AI network, AI native networks, terahertz communication, holographic MIMO, and global coverage using terrestrial plus non-terrestrial networks. And the last key point is 6G aims for TBPS speeds, near zero latency, and intelligent self optimizing systems, making it the foundation of future technologies like holographic communication, autonomous mobility, and immersive digital worlds. So, thank you. This is my final PPT.